This is the part of the video where you're going to have to start coping with this issue. Okay, so this is the piece that goes on the very top part of the strut. What's it called? Well, I'll put it over here. Okay, that's what it's called. There are these two holes. You see them here? One there, one there. They say this is where it is marked where you have to cope this off. So this piece, just this piece and just this flat piece gets coped off. Where do you cope it? Do you use the far right, your left part of the hole, the center of the hole, or all the way to the interior of the hole? There are no instructions for that. All it says is, hey, we provided you these holes. So what I'm gonna have to do is get at least a truss together with, you know, that metal part in there, make sure that the bolts are all centered up. And I'm gonna start by cutting the least amount off, and then I'm gonna measure it and then probably go to the center. And then if that's still not enough, then I'll go clear to the inside edge. But I'm doing it so you don't have to. You're welcome. It'd be super awesome if that kind of information was already in the plan somewhere.
Nope.
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 Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Nope.
Nope.
Well, now you can kind of see the part that I have to trim off right here, all the way on this edge, and the other piece. And then this whole piece here actually goes on the bottom side. So it fits inside that truss. And then it gets bolted down with those 4 bolts. It doesn't appear as though there's a whole lot of precision here. It looks like I could probably just go anywhere I want to on those holes and it will be just fine. Again, not precision parts. This could be part of a good thing.
Since I don't have a wall outlet shaped like this, I'm going to have to make a run to Home Depot. I'll be right back.
All right, guys, I am all set up. I think this is my first time ever using a plasma torch. So wish me luck, and all of you out there that have used plasma torches before, make sure that you put in the comments all the things that I messed up. Safety first. Hey, if you want to know how to do something, you just make a YouTube video. There's plenty of people that will tell you all the things that you did wrong. So please leave a comment for those things that I did wrong, okay? Let's do this. Okay, something wrong with this thing? All right, I kind of figured this wasn't right. That should not be pouring air out of there. So a quick YouTube video later, and I'm going to fix this. And let me get it unplugged first. Well, hell, it looks like this piece is busted. Right there. That's probably why this was not mounted on there all the way. It was just kind of laying there like that. Oh yeah, we screwed that up. Well, yeah, ship it out. Well, I managed to get it out. Yeah, that's cracked, busted. That ain't gonna work at all. Buy American, buy USA products, genuine USA products. While I go in and see if I can make a warranty claim or buy a spare part for this thing, looks like I'm gonna be doing the angle grinder thing. Angle grinder. Not looking forward to that with as many cuts as I have to make, but it is what it is. Well, I think that's touching. and not in a lovely way. Touching, oh, I have to cut it on the inside of those marks, those holes that they conveniently put into these beams. So not center of mass, it needs to be cut on the inside of those. I'm doing it so you don't have to. Figuring it out.
The next day.
I keep buying people out and they don't have enough. Let's see, how much was it this time? Oh, 94 bucks. About the same as last time. One more run and I think I'll have enough hardware to finish the project, but at least I have enough for now. Does this look anything like this? Really? Wow. Look how long that piece should be. Yeah. It ain't gonna fit unless it's shown like I have it in reality. Let's see what this one's supposed to look like. Top piece cut out. Okay, I see that. Top piece cut. Wait, what's that? Why is there a hole here? Does this also have to be cut out too? All right, guys. This is what's called the knee brace. And there are 12 of these. If this is correct, And there's a hole here, hole there, and there. 4 holes, so that means 4 pieces have to be coped out of this one piece. 4 times 12 is 48. Plus I have another 5 of the apex braces. Each one of those takes 2 out of that, so there's 10 more. So I have 58 pieces to cut out. I need something to give me some motivation. So I'm going to cut a few of these, and then I'm going to mount them so it makes it look like I've got some progress going. Because this sucks. This sucks not having a plasma torch. This will serve as my motivation to get all the rest of the cuts done, because there are a lot. Just so you know, I had to pay for my motivation. I had to put up a little bit of 550 cord as guy wires, because those are not exactly real stable. It just being on a flat bar, and the wind can easily blow it around. So I'm paying for it, doing a little extra work, but I don't care. I still like it. I'm quitting for the day. By my count, I've got 3 of these knee braces left to cut and repaint. And then I'm going to start putting them up just like these. I think I am going to go ahead and put guy wires on. All it is 550 cord. And it's just to keep it from, flopping around in the breeze, that kind of thing. Because there's, of course, no truss yet. But I think that is a good thing to get that in place. So when I get the bucket truck and I can lift those massive trusses into place, that I have minimal work. This is already done. It's already put up. I am not, all of it's finger tight now, of course, but it's in place. And I don't have to mess with it on the day that I've rented the bucket truck. Probably the week that I rent the bucket truck. If you have a bucket truck that you would like to sell, or that I could borrow, that is somewhere close to Southwest Washington, please let me know. I would be happy to rent it from you, or buy it if it's reasonable. Free, of course, is always a great price, but I am a beggar, so I can't be choosy. Until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe, and God bless.